My name's Cord Porter, founder of PortaHomes. We build custom tiny homes in Cache Valley. Luckily, we're on the Idaho side with over 10 plus years of experience. Growing up, I worked for a foundation company for a few years and then a general contractor. Because of those experiences, I garnered an eye for quality. We use only the best products and materials to create your tiny home, beginning with a quality trailer for your foundation on up to the final finishing touches. Quality is so important that for the life of the trailer, if you have a problem with the craftsmanship of the home, we'll take care of it free of charge. A PortaHome is compatible with RV site hookups, or for those of you that want to live off the grid, or to have a green home, we can customize it to meet your needs. Our in-house interior designer can help you further customize the floor plan, curb appeal, features, finishes, and answer questions you didn't even know you had. We offer 3D rendering services so we can make sure the home is exactly what you want before building ever begins. We accept all forms of payments, cash, card, check, and even the occasional donut. PortaHomes offers payment plans and financing to ensure that anyone can get into their dream tiny home. Come down to our physical location on Giraffe Road in Preston, Idaho, or if you are a little further away than that, you can contact us via email at tinyportahomes@gmail.com, or you can call my line directly at 208-226-4183. We'll post on social media like Instagram or Facebook, and so you can like and follow us on there so you can keep tabs on our current projects. Don't just get a tiny home, get a PortaHome.